Hi, in front of me is ALCATEL 1T 10 Smart 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Then click on Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. Finally, just wait for available ones to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. I will go with that one. Now select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, select this gear next to Connected Device and tap on Forget next to Connect. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it and hitting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!